Ano ang tatlong options sa accumulated leave credits natin? Answer, yes friends, may leave credits tayo, no? Every year. Ano yung leave credits natin? Vacation leave and sick leave. Every year po yan, no? 1.25 per month. 1.25 sa vacation leave, 1.25 din sa sick leave every month. So ngayon, accumulated yan the following year, right? So ngayon, may tatlong option po tayo. Paano gamitin ito? Number one, of course, kung magkasakit tayo, mag-file tayo ng sick leave para with pay po tayo. On the other hand, kung magbakasyon tayo, gamitin din natin yung vacation leave natin para with pay po yan. Option 2, monetization of leave credits. So kung hindi natin magamit yung sick leave at vacation leave, nandyan lang yan, and wala tayong pera, pwede yan siya i-monetize or monetization. Kasi every year po, qualified po tayo mag-monetize 10 days po minimum. 30 days naman yung maximum within the year. Meron tayong separate video niyan, monetization of leave credits. Tingnan nyo po sa YouTube channel natin. Option 3. So, yung mga unused na vacation leave at sick leave, hindi natin nagamit, hindi tayo nagpa-monetize. Yung last option natin is pag mag-retire tayo or mag-resign, pwede po yan makuha lahat. Ang tawag niyan is terminal leave pay. Ayun. Alam po yan ng HR ninyo, Human Resource or Admin Officer. In case of retirement or resignation, makuha po yung lahat ng leave na yan as terminal leave pay. Concerning computation yan, yung mga leave natin, meron din akong separate video sa channel natin. Please watch my YouTube channel, friends. Lahat ng mga employees concern and issue. Alright? Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.